Hey guys, Sarah here. Oh my gosh, and my dogs are here too. Per the usual, it is too hot to put them outside right now, so they will be drinking water, making weird noises, and probably going crazy back there, it looks like. So anyways, today we are going to be doing the Ricky's Cult Crushes unboxing. First, let me tell you a little bit about this box. It is $11 a month, free shipping. It is going to $14 a month, actually this month, June. And let's see, you get a theme selection of hand-picked products in cosmetic, skincare, hair care, and fashion. And then you get 25% off the Ricky's online store. So, yes, this is the May box that I'm opening because I did not actually receive this box until June 1st. And then I had to work the weekend, and this is the first time I've actually had time to sit down and unbox it for you guys. This month has been very, I feel like, drama filled with this box. I already know potentially 2 of the things I'm getting in here because of emails I received from them. One email they sent said, here's a product, don't use it on your body. So I already knew I was getting that. And then the other one, there was a delay in the shipment on it, so I don't even know if it's in this box, but that was the reason why it was so late. And then they're like, we're just going to send the box and we'll throw something else in there and send the other item later. So I don't know even what's in this box. So let's just open it up and find out. Okay. So looks like this when you open it up and stuff's falling. So first, let's look at the card. Here's the card. And then on the back it has the descriptions of everything that you're getting in the box. It does not have the price point, so I will research those and put them in the description below. Okay, let's see. Let's go with the first thing I'm seeing. What is this? Okay. This is the makeup bullet. It says it is a... This is not even on the card, so I'm assuming this is something that they threw in here because of the product that we were missing. I thought that it was going to be like face wipes or something, but I guess it's this sponge. So it says, speed up your makeup routine with the most user-friendly cosmetic sponge on the market. Fits snugly on a finger for absolute control, flawlessly blends on every part of the face, frees hand to hold other stuff as well, and soft and gentle on the skin. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this on my finger. I mean, it does feel super soft on the face, and it's cool that's on your finger. I like the shape of it, but I don't see why I would reach for this to take the time to put it on my finger when I can just use a beauty blender or a different beauty sponge. But I will not pass any judgment until I actually use it. I will try it out. It is very, very soft. Okay. Let's see what we have next. So next we have, let's do these makeup brushes. So this is from BH Cosmetics. It is Sculpt and Blend Mini 2 3-piece brush set. Everything's always so taped up. It says tapered, angled, and flat brushes are all key to flawless makeup. Using this 3-piece set, shade and illuminate your eyes with whatever liquid, cream, or powder you prefer. Sorry guys, I'm getting my little tool here to cut into it. Okay. So yeah, they're just little travel-sized brushes. Let's go ahead and feel how soft they are. They're not the softest brushes I've ever used. I've never actually tried anything from this brand. I did order some foundation recently from them from Ulta. I haven't got it in yet, but I mean, they're cute for travel, but I just take my normal brushes normally. They fit into my bag, but I mean, I'll try them out. Can never have too many brushes, my motto. Okay, let's see. We have 2 more items in here. First, let's go with this one. This is the one that they emailed about. It is the Laundress Wash and Stain Bar. It is a, let's see. This handy bar is your wardrobe's new BFF. It is designed to clean those hard-to-reach stains that all beauty lovers experience, from ring around the collar to strap sleeves and any other unwarranted place your makeup gets. So It smells like actual body soap, but interesting. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to use this, honestly, but we'll see. Okay, and then we have one more thing in here. This is a JCat liquid highlighter. Let's see. Oh wait, I think there is something else hidden in there. I lied, I have one other thing in there. I was gonna say, wow, only 4 items. So this says, turn heads in the sunshine with this dewy and multi-dimensional highlighter. Mix it with your favorite primer, foundation, or moisturizer for a luminous finish that takes your look to the next level. So, oh, it's very light. Let's go ahead and do a quick swatch of this. This is very, very liquidy, so you have to be careful with how much you're using. But there it is on my hand. Let's just go ahead and rub it in. So yeah, super blinding highlight. If you're into the show-stopping blinding highlight, then you'll like this. Yeah, that's cool. I'll play around with this some more. It's kind of cool. Okay, and then the last item we have in here is from Paw. It is Pure Paw Multi-Purpose Ointment. It says, carry this product with you wherever you go to soothe dry lips and skin in no time. Crafted from farm-sourced fruits, this formula is the perfect solution to heal and hydrate all season long. Okay, and it's the scent of watermelon. And it smells like watermelon bubblegum. I don't know how I feel about putting this like on my body though. It's only like watermelons. I mean, I get it for the lips, but that doesn't seem like a body scent to me. It feels really nice. It smells not my favorite. I'm not a huge watermelon scent person, but it kind of reminds me a little bit of like the Aquaphor healing ointment. So if you're into that. Anyways, okay. So and then the last thing we didn't get, which I'm actually fine with not getting because I am fairly certain everything else I got was cruelty free, but this one I isn't. It was the Bioderma Sensibio H2O. It was a cleansing and makeup removing water. So I'm personally not upset that I didn't get that. If it does ever come to me, I'll just put it to the side for a giveaway. So let's kind of give a review of the box. Overall, it's not really my favorite box. I'm not excited about any of the stuff, which is really weird because normally like there's always one thing in a box where I'm like, oh, I'm so excited to use it. Kind of, you know, we got one makeup item, which is kind of weird for this box. Like normally it's very makeup heavy. And then we have 2 makeup tools, which I mean, I'll use them. And then one like body care kind of thing, and then one random thing that I would never think I'd get from a beauty box. But like for $11, I'm not mad about it. It's not a terrible box. It's just not my favorite box, but I will still get their box because I still like it's still one of the best boxes you can get for the price for $11. We'll see if they get any better with $14. I know it's only $3 more a month, but you know if you're paying more, you think I'm gonna get better stuff. So that's my thoughts behind that. So anyways, I'm sorry that this video is so late. I really wanted to try to get it done in May, but they did not send it to me until June, so what can you do? Anyways, that's all I have for today's video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, more unboxings, more things like that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. And I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys.